You're the wind in my sails, you're the pull of the sea, you're the wish in the well, you're my faithful belief. If the whole wide world was offered to me, still you'd be all I need. You're the first of the year, a warm kiss in the cold, you're the whisper in my...
7 years ago, I sent you a Snapchat that led me to you, the most loving, understanding, patient, caring, selfless man I know. Over the years, you have watched me make mistakes, watched me fall, watched me learn, grow, and become who I am today, and have continued to love with me every step of the way.
I need how do I say how much you really mean when I can't find no words to speak? Just know you're all I need.
You always like to ask when I knew I loved you, when I knew I first loved you, and for me I don't think it's a single moment, but many moments, days, and nights spent with you.
When you're feeling blue, with a weight on your chest, I can feel it too. I'll take your worst and the best, I'll be there for you, like you're there for me, 'cause you are all I need, all I need. I need. How do I say how much you really mean when I can't find no words to speak?
Finding the one out of all the people in the entire world should be impossible. But Pat and Demi found each other. So I've come to know Pat as a kind, caring, dependable young man who genuinely and wholeheartedly loves this woman he's about to marry. The significance of the Sansang Kudo is beautiful. In this ritual, each person takes 3 sips of sake, each from 3 separate cups. Odd numbers are significant in this ceremony because they cannot be divided by 2. The couple cannot be separated. You're married, you may now, for all the world to see, have your one first kiss as newlyweds. Make it a good one.
I'm the father of the bride, and I loved every minute of it. And so right here's my best friend. When you get married, you hope that your wife is going to be your best friend. That's what we hope for, that you guys are best friends forever. The number one thing I give Pat is 3 brothers, and they love him. They love him.
Today our families become one. I gained not only a wife, but 3 new brothers and new parents, and I couldn't be happier.
We went to high school for 3 years together. We drove every day to school together. She really took me in, and I mean, she's my sister, but we became best friends.
Any of you guys who know her know that she's the absolute life of the party. She is so much fun. She's so joyous and so just infectious. She's an absolute blast. But underneath all of that is such a kind heart.
Demi and Pat, if the love and the happiness in the air tonight is any indication of what your marriage is going to look like, I think you're off to a pretty great start. So Demi and Pat.
Birdman is the kindest, most supportive, reliable man you will ever meet. It is an absolute honor to be standing up here right now. Hold on. Tonight definitely speaks to all Pat's qualities. Tonight counts as one of Pat's biggest accomplishments to date, committing to a wonderful woman like Demi. Yes, Pat is picky. That is how I know Demi is the one.
So with our circle of family and friends as our witnesses, today we have decided to walk life's path together.
We promise to celebrate one another's accomplishments and joys.
And to stand hand in hand in life's disappointments and sorrows.
We promise to always support each other's hopes and dreams.
And we promise to be accepting and understanding of one another.
And to always celebrate each other's individuality.
We promise to be patient with each other, just as Pat has patiently been waiting for the Browns to finally have a winning season.
And to always keep each other accountable for our actions, which I have realized is almost impossible when Demi is hot, hungry, or tired.
We promise to build a nurturing home that is open to everything marriage and life may bring to us.
A home that is based with respect for all.
And a home that is filled with love, kindness, compassion, cold beer, and Kirkland brand wine.
May we always see the best in one another.
From this day forward.
Out of the billions of people on planet Earth, Pat and Demi have asked you to join them as they enter into this amazing institution of marriage.
Today is only the beginning. Today is the start of our new world together as husband and wife.
Today I can truly say that I love you more than all of the days we have spent together. You are the moon, the stars, and everything in between. I'm so honored to be your wife.